Hi everyone. A zero coupon bond is a bond that is sold now at a discount and will pay its face value at a time when it matures. However, no interest payments are made. So the first problem we have is a zero, this is bond, can be redeemed in 20 years for $10,000. How much should you be willing to pay for it now if you want a return of 10% compounded monthly and 10% compounded continuously? So we're going to be using two different formulas. The first one, A, let's use this in red. So we're going to do this one first. We have A equals 10,000. And R equals 0.10. N equals 12 because it's 12 months. And T is 20 years. So we'll use that for both formulas. So the first one we're going to use is P. Since we want to know the principal amount, we use the formula, we switch the A and the P and use our formula that we've been using, but we're going to do negative 12 because that just means it's division. That's 1 over that. So, and we get $1,364.62. So that's how much you should be willing to pay for it now. And for B, compounded continuously, you would get P equals 10,000 E, so you write the same thing basically. 10%, so it's going to be 0.10 times 20. And this gives you 13,553.35. Okay, and the next ones are kind of similar. They're considering buying a $40,000 face value zero coupon bond at birth for their grandchild. If they want a rate of return of 8% compounded annually, what should they pay for the bond? So again, we're using the same formula. We're going to use P equals A times 1 plus your rate over your N times your time, or negative. It's going to be negative. So basically we have P equals 40,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 1, so I'm not going to put the 1, and it's going to be negative 17. And this gives you $10,810.76. Alright, the next one, we have how much should a 10,000 face value zero coupon bond maturing in 10 years be sold from now. That should be from, if its rate of return is to be 8% compounded annually. So basically we have A equals $10,000, R equals 0.08, N, it's compounded annually, so that's just a 1, and T equals 10 years. So P equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 1 times negative 1 times 10. and this gives you approximately $4,631.93. Alright, and the last one's the hard one. We have to find the annual rate of return, so the interest rate, and she pays $12,485.52 for a $25,000 face value 0 coupon bond that matures in 8 years. So we have A equals 25,000, P equals 12,000, and 485.52. We want annual rate of return, which is 1, and T is 8. And we need to find R. So we're going to write 25,000 equals 12,485.52 times 1 plus R over 1, which is just R, to the 8th power. And you divide both sides by 12,485.52, and I'm just going to write it like that. Now we're going to take the 8th root of both sides. So this part cancels. So you get the 8th root of this and it equals 1 minus R, or 1 plus R. Subtract the 1, and you're going to get R equals this. Minus 1. I'll just do this because it's kind of sloppy. Alright, so our R is approximately 0.090665741, which is about 9.07%. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.